Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This week we're talking about chemical safety. It doesn't take fire to burn you. Fire isn't the only thing that burns on a job site. Some of the most painful, damaging burns come from something far quieter: chemical contact. Things like concrete, cleaning agents, adhesives, solvents, fuel oils, degreasers. They don't look dangerous. You've probably used them for years, but one careless splash, one unprotected hand, and you'll learn a hard truth. It doesn't take a flame to burn you. Why chemical safety matters. Chemical burns don't just damage skin, they eat through it. Acids, bases, and corrosives can destroy muscle, tissue, and nerves long before you even feel pain. And sometimes the reaction doesn't start right away. You might think you're fine, and then hours later, your skin blisters or starts breaking down. What are some common culprits? Wet concrete, high pH burns that eat through skin under gloves or sleeves. Adhesives and sealants, solvents that burn and absorb through skin. Cleaning agents and acids used to surface prep or equipment cleaning. Paints, fuels, and lubricants, long-term exposure leading to dermatitis or poisoning. Here's a real job site story. A laborer I once knew, we'll call him Ray, was finishing a slab in cold weather. His gloves got soaked with wet concrete, but he didn't think of it. By the end of the day, the tops of his hands were blistered and raw. He ended up missing over a week of work. What burned him wasn't heat, it was chemistry, and it could have been prevented with clean gloves, waterproof sleeves, and a few extra seconds of care. Let's talk about the role of the SDS, your first line of defense. Every chemical on site should have a safety data sheet or SDS. That's not just paperwork, it's a roadmap to safety. The SDS tells you what the substance is made of, how it can harm you, such as skin, eyes, breathing, and ingestion, what PPE is required, how to store it safely, and what to do if something goes wrong. Before you open a new product, read the SDS. If you can't find it, stop and ask. Every worker has a right to know what they're being exposed to and how to protect themselves. So what are some ways that you can protect yourself? Number one, read labels and SDSs before use. Know what you're handling. Don't assume a product is harmless just because you've used it before. Number two, use the right PPE. Chemical-resistant gloves, sleeves, and eye protection, not just the everyday pair of gloves. Regular leather or cloth gloves can soak up chemicals like a sponge. Number three, wash immediately. If you get splashed or feel irritation, rinse with clean water immediately. Don't wait for it to burn. Minutes make a difference. Number four, store and dispose of properly. Keep incompatible chemicals apart. Seal containers. Dispose of waste per the SDS. And number five, never mix chemicals. Mixing cleaners, solvents, or acids can create deadly reactions such as toxic gas, heat, or even explosions. Supervisors, ensure all SDSs are up to date and accessible to every worker. It's just not compliance, it's culture. When workers know what they're using and how to handle it, accidents drop. And when leaders take chemical safety seriously, everyone else does too. In closing, chemicals may not look dangerous, but they can burn, blind, poison, or scar just as surely as a fire. And once that damage is done, there's no undoing it. So remember, read the SDS, wear your PPE, and wash it off before it burns you. It doesn't take fire to burn, just a moment of carelessness. Stay smart, stay protected, and stay safe. All right, boys and girls, that's my thoughts on the subject. I appreciate you stopping by, and I appreciate you watching. Make sure you give me the thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to the channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, and you'll be notified of new releases. Make sure you share this video with associates and coworkers and comment on the contents of this video. Until we see each other again, look out for yourself because you're number one. Look out for your co-workers and help ensure their safety. And most importantly, have a grateful day, and I'll see you next time. Safety is all on you. It's all on you, man.